20 body parts names in English. Forehead. Forehead. The part of the face above the eyes. Example, he wipes sweat from his forehead. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. The line of hair above the eyes. Example, she has thick eyebrows. Eyelash. Eyelash. The small hair on the edge of the eyelid. Example, she has long eyelashes. Cheek. Cheek. The soft part of the face below the eyes. Example, he kissed her on the cheek. Chin. Chin. The bottom part of the face below the mouth. Example, he touched his chin while thinking. Jaw. Jaw. The lower part of the face that moves when we talk. Example, his jaw hurts from chewing. Lip. Lip. The soft edge of the mouth. Example, she put lipstick on her lips. Forearm. Forearm. The part of the arm between the elbow and wrist. Example, he rolled up his sleeves to show his forearm. Elbow. Elbow. The joint in the middle of the arm. Example, she rested her elbow on the table. Wrist. Wrist. The joint that connects the hand to the arm. Example, he wears a bracelet on his wrist. Palm. Palm. The inner side of the hand. Example, she holds water in her palm. Thumb. Thumb. The short, thick finger on the side of the hand. Example, he gave a thumbs up. Nail. Nail. The hard part at the tip of each finger or toe. Example, she painted her nails pink. Ankle. Ankle. The joint that connects the leg and foot. Example, he twisted his ankle while running. Heel. Heel. The back part of the foot below the ankle. Example, she rubbed her heel after walking. Hip. Hip. The side part of the body below the waist. Example, he keeps his hand on his hip. Waist. Waist. The part of the body between the ribs and hips. Example, she tied a belt around her waist. Thigh. Thigh. The upper part of the leg. Example, he felt pain in his thigh after exercise. Calf. Calf. The back part of the lower leg. Example, she stretched her calf muscles. Forefinger. Forefinger. The finger next to the thumb, used for pointing. Example, he pressed the button with his forefinger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.